Welcome back, friends. Here you will learn how to extract day, month, and year from a date in Excel. As you see here in the data, there is different dates in the B column. I need to extract the day, month, and year of every single dates in C, D, and E column. To extract day, click on C5 cell. Press equals, type text function. Open parentheses. In the value, click on date. Give a comma. In the format text, type double quotation DDDD, double quotation. Close the parentheses and press enter. Day is returned. Use fill handle to drag it down. For month, use text function again. In the place of DDDD, use here format code. Month is returned. Drag the formula down. For year, use the same function with YYYY in the format text. Year returned. If you want to display short form of day, month, and year, like sun for Sunday, JAN for January, use DDD, and YY in the format code. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing this channel if you have not. See you in next video tutorial.